Okay, before we mark our positioning for our top column bracket on our post, what we need to do is just bend the perforated edge at 90 degrees. So just one hand on one side and just lift up the other side. And just check that you've got that at 90 degrees. And then we're right to make some markings. Okay, what we need to do now is mark out our top column brackets to go onto our edge beam. So as per your instruction manual, we're coming in the required distance. So we make a mark there. That's going to be the back edge of our top column bracket. Now that one comes down slightly, so it comes down 6 millimeters on that back edge. So we just need to mark that 6 millimeters. And we just put our plate, so our inside edge here is going to be flush with the top of our edge beam. So we just need to make a mark there with our pre-punched holes. Then we need to angle that down to our 6 millimeter mark, and then just mark the other pre-punched hole, and just marking the center of the holes. Okay, so what we need to do now is drill out those 2 holes with our 10mm drill bit, and then we do exactly the same down the other end, but obviously being in reverse, so we turn our bracket the other way. Okay, once we've marked out our hole positioning for our top column bracket to be attached to our edge beam, now we just have to drill out the holes. So pilot hole first, and then come through with our 10mm bit. Okay, what we need to do now is just mark out our holes and drill our holes for our top column bracket to be attached to. So just slide your top column bracket onto your post, making sure it's flush with the top and hard up against the edge as well. Now you've got your 3 holes down this edge, so just mark your center. Now your first hole here is just going through one side of your post. That's going to be our pivoting point when we put our roof on. The other 2 will need to be drilled the whole way through. Flip that post over to the next side, and we've got 2 more holes here we mark. Again, they will need to be drilled the whole way through the other side. So once we've marked them, pilot hole first, and then 10mm drill bit all the way through.